Hey guys, so I am back with another video, and today we are cooking lemon drizzle fairy cakes. They are 2 SYNS each, but you're allowed a little treat now and again. So I love lemon drizzle cakes. I love them. So this is perfect for me. I'm not going over my SYNS, and at the same time it's still a little bit more healthier than the normal lemon drizzle. So let's show you the ingredients you'll need. So you'll need 1 lemon, 50 grams of the biscuit pastry spread. You would need some cupcake cases, some ice and sugar, some lemon juice, yellow food colouring, some decorations for the end, silver balls, some self-raising flour, some sweetener, plus 2 eggs as well. Let's get started. We have preheated the oven and we've put the little cupcake holders into the tin. We are now going to get the 2 eggs and we are going to put them in a bowl. This always gets messy for me. See, shell always goes in. Naughty, naughty. Making sure it's all gone in. Lovely. Then we are going to get the spread and cut that into 50 grams. So in our butter, plop it in. This is where it all gets messy. Lovely. And we're going to whisk it all together. Let's whisk. Before we whisk, we're going to put 6 tablespoons of the sweetener. Oh, making a mess everywhere. I will shortly show you in a sec. I'm just putting you in the cupboard. So now we've got it all in here. We're going to whisk. Oh, I hope it goes all right. You can tell I'm not a whiz in the kitchen because I've seen people whisk and they whisk fast. My nan used to whisk so fast. Never knew how she would do it. It kills your arms, so if you want to have a workout, do this. You're going to put the self-raising flour in. I worked it out because I'm not good with grams and that. It's 12 tablespoons, and you're going to use a sieve and you're going to sieve it through. So this already, and I haven't even got it out, and already I'm making a mess. Flour, you always make a mess. So if we switch over so it's closer. 1, 2, 3, 12. Whew. Now that is a lot. So we're now sieving it through the sieve. If you want to call it that, the sieve. I'm going to sieve through it. So we're sieving. If you can see, I'm so sorry you're up there. But I'm literally sieving that's what the word is called, sieving the flour through the sieve. Shake, 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 shake. Which is quite cool actually, it looks like snow. So I will show you. Sieved it through, now we're going to whisk it more. And then we're going to add the lemon zest to it. So let's start. This is where it gets all messy now. Because you're sieving So now we've done the mixture, we are now going to put them in the cupcake holders. So let's see how this turns out. So these cupcakes are done. So I've done 8, but you can do more than that. So now I'm going to put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and then I will be back. Update. So now the cupcakes are now out of the oven, which are here. Look at them. Obviously, as you know, I didn't have enough dough or whatever it's called, mixture, so that's why they're a bit more smaller than these ones. So now I'm going to wait for them to cool down and then we can get on to decorating. How yummy. Hey guys, we're back. So they have cooled down now, so now we're going to do the icing and the little decorations. So you're going to need your icing sugar, your yellow food colouring, and of course your decorations, which I got the silver balls. So let's get to it. So we need 8 level teaspoons of icing. So here we go. 1, 2, this is where we make the mess. 3, 4, and it's only a few drops of it. So get the lemon juice. So just a few drops because we've already got the lemon in the cupcakes as well. So, and then we're going to get a couple of drops of the yellow food colouring just to give it that extra colouring. 1, 2. So we're just going to mix it up. So it's got a lovely yellow colour. I'm just going to continue to mix, try and get as much of them bumpy bits out. Like so, and when you think that is okay, then we're going to go and get the cupcake. Have the icing and we have the cupcakes, so we are just going to drizzle over. I'm not very good at the art of it, so I don't know if you can see the picture. That's what they're supposed to look like. Okay, please don't judge. They look like a 6-year-old has made them, but look. I told you I'm not good at the decorations. Yeah. But at the end of the day, it's not about the decoration, it's about how it tastes. So, here we go. Oh my god. I ain't saying this because I just made them, but so nice. Oh my god, so nice. So yay me, I think I did quite good. So the icing sugar's just going everywhere, so I place it down. But if you loved this video and you want to see more of these, again, I'm not a chef, I'm just a normal person, so yeah, don't judge the decorations of it. I should have just left the balls off, it would have looked a bit more better, but it's all about the taste, and they taste so nice. So if you like this video, give it a big massive thumbs up, subscribe and click that notification bell because it will notify you every time I upload a video. And if you do make these, tag me in it on my Instagram. I would love to see how you did. probably a bit more better than me, but we all have to learn. So if you want to see any more of these videos, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you tomorrow.